Good morning, I'm Ronnie with Alina Group, and it's a beautiful Sunday morning in Madeira Beach, Florida. And today we're going to install a Cooper Hunter 18,000 BTU mini split system with twin indoor 9,000 BTU indoor heads. And I want to thank T23 and Tropic Supply for the great customer service. What I love about Cooper Hunter is the ease of installation. It's a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch line with a 2 7/8 hole on a 45-degree angle for the drain line, and we're using a Rector Seal lined duct cover that also Tropic Supply stocks, and it's a very easy installation. This is a nice, clean, neat job, and it's a very efficient system. I also want to thank Edwin Velez from Cooper Hunter, because any questions, I can call Cooper Hunter for customer support, and they're amazing. The warranty's great. The customer's super happy with this. And we're going to finish up inside and show you up inside. Thanks. And we are just finishing up on our drain line here, and this is one of our newest employees, Carlos Santana. He's a NATE certified technician and Army veteran. And these are our indoor units. It's a nice, clean installation. It's a pretty sleek double level air flaps, and it's also 12 indoor fan speeds. Now we're going into our other room here, and there's our other head. This Cooper Hunter Sophia is amazingly quiet. And this is Paul and Lindsay, and they are our customers, and they are also wearing our shirts, and they also want to thank Tropic Supply for Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Absolutely, we love our Cooper
Hunter mini split system.